Today, we're thrilled to introduce the all-new Tesla Model 3. This updated version features significant changes, especially to its interior, which has been completely revamped. While the exterior retains its sleek, familiar silhouette, subtle enhancements give it a fresh look. The taillights, for example, are quite beautiful, adding a sophisticated touch. The trunk space largely maintains its practicality and generous capacity. Now, let's step inside, because this is where the real magic happens. The first thing you'll notice is the stunning ambient lighting. It's truly captivating. A major innovation in this Model 3 is the complete removal of both the gear stalk and the turn signal stalk from the steering column. All these functions are now intuitively controlled via the central touchscreen display, streamlining the cockpit for a cleaner, more futuristic feel. Practical elements like the cup holders and central console area largely remain unchanged, similar to the Model X. The design beneath the windshield also maintains Tesla's signature minimalist and elegant design. And of course, a standout feature is the expansive glass roof, which not only looks incredible, but also provides a bright and airy cabin. The gear stalk and turn signal stalk have all been removed, contributing to that clean, modern aesthetic. The car's side profile continues to embody Tesla's commitment to minimalist and elegant design. Finally, you'll find an additional screen integrated into the rear, adding to the advanced technology within the cabin. Want to know more about Tesla or explore other models? Please let me know.